Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how the quantity discounts work in Inksoft. This is for web store products. So I went ahead and I set up my web store product, which is this hat, and the price that I put in is going to be the 1 through 11 pricing. So basically, before you hit the first price break. So once you have it all set up, under the Price and Styles tab on that particular item, you're going to click on Available for Quantity Discounts, and then hit Manage Quantity Discounts. And it's going to take you to this page here, so we're going to click to add a new discount here. Discount name, call it whatever you want. And now you're going to go to your stores list, and we're going to go ahead and find the store. Once that's selected, go ahead and select the product or products that you wish to apply to. And now over here on the right, you could do either a percentage discount or a fixed dollar discount, and you could have it apply to multiple items. So if it was the same, screen print design or the same embroidered design, you could kind of group them up together, so that way they get that like bulk discount, even though they're ordering different style numbers. So we're gonna start with the percentage discount here because that's what we're working with, and we're gonna go ahead and put through our minimum and max quantity for our first tier, which is gonna be 0. Next, we're gonna do our second break, so we'll do that one 12 to 47, and this one's gonna be 2205. And then the third tier is gonna be 48, and that's basically going to be the last tier that we're going to offer them on here. And the way that I came up with these formulas is going to be, let me grab a calculator here. So basically you're going to take your per unit price for their first tier, which is essentially going to be your highest number. So for instance, let's say 1510, and we're going to minus what's going to be the price for the next tier. So you're going to need to figure these out ahead of time. So the second tier is going to be 1177 divided by the big number again, your first tier, so 1510. And so basically that gives me 22.05%, which is what we used to plug in there. So that's the formula. All right, thanks for watching. Actually, hold on. Not done yet. So we're actually going to save it. So now that should be applied. And now I'll show you what that looks like. And so if we come over here and take a look at the product, now you could see that once you hit these additional quantities, that you end up getting a price break. So yeah, thanks for watching.